Well, hello there. Welcome back to the Corniest Corner. Now in the Corniest Corner, this is where we share some of the corniest jokes about some of the hottest topics in Jamaica and around the world. Now on today's edition of the Corniest Corner, we're going to focus on Emancipation Day. Yeah, and please, brace yourself, because around here at the Corniest Corner, we love...
Cone.
That's right. So from we are pitney, we hear this story going around that Nanny, yes, Nanny of the Maroons, the catch and bullet in our body. Now, whether we believe it goes so, or it don't go so, we can all agree that that feat is very astounding. We don't agree, don't we? Don't agree. Now, I have a question. You ever wonder how Sam was at the head of the Christmas rebellion? Yeah, man, the same one down at St. James there. We feel like we come to the conclusion, say, boy, almost because Femless did bigger than everybody else won. And also, obviously, it was very, very sharp. Got to be cut through cane piece and body parts. And August 1838, we fought and we won our freedom. No longer do we have to listen to our colonizers and enslavers. And when you really think about it and check history, that was the first. Get it? The 1st of August, the first. Hear me on the brain, I figure turn over faster than that, you know. On the brain, guts. So, Alexander Bustamante and Norman, when you know, so them are the cousin, right? Now they put money together. And a bag of people, you know, are against it for whatever reason. One probably because they were the head and the beginning of the two opposing parties in the country. A lot of people also believe that them should never be on the money together because it doesn't look very manly.
What?
You know, if you say two man for the put money together and look very... Garvey had the brilliant idea not to transport us by bus or by carriage or by car or whatever mean of transport there was in those times. He wanted to send us back to Africa by boat. The Black Star Liner. This was a wonderful idea because it would have been difficult for them to spot us and catch us. But not only that, in them time when they love brand people, it would have been difficult for them to mark us. Beautiful, brilliant idea. Can't mark us. So Paul Bogle and George William Gordon, they took on the Morant Bay Rebellion. Beautiful work they did over there. But now we're hearing that the image that we have of Paul Bogle and a really Paul. But you know, so we should know better. Because Buju there try to show we a thing, you know. And remember when he said this?
I must on it that after I saw Bogle stay.
It don't look like say so. Bogle did stay at all. It don't look so. Well, that's it for the Corniest Corner. Catch you in the next one.